In this video, I'm going to show you how to add header and footer in WPS Office. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is simply by going to the Insert tab up top and then clicking on Header and Footer. And as you can see, they're going to basically get selected just like this, so the footer and the header. Or you could also just double click anywhere, like maybe in the footer or in the header, wherever you want. And when you double click, it's going to open up. So, of course, if you want to add them, you can then go ahead and insert either page numbers by clicking on here, selecting your format. So for example, if I select this format here and if I position it at the bottom center and click on OK, as you can see, page numbers have been added. Of course, that's just one of the things you can do. I'm just going to delete this right now. And then you could go ahead and type in whatever you want, like for example, something like that, like hello. You could add in date and time up top. So you have a bunch of different options. If I put in hello, as you can see, it's now inside every single one. If I put in something else, like the name of my channel up top over here and put it in the middle, like this, for example, it's going to be up top in every single header like that. And of course, you could do whatever you want with this. So if I just go and experiment a bit to show you, page numbers are up here. You can do show header line. Of course, you can select which line you want. It could be like this. It could be something like this, completely up to you. I'm going to leave this one for now. And then you could go and set, for example, date and time. Select how you want it to be, like this one. Okay. And it's going to pop up on every single header or footer in your document. You could add in pictures if you want to, different fields like that. So you have like hyperlinks, formulas, you have different dates, auto text, etc. There's a bunch of things you could do. And then, of course, you could also go ahead and link to previous or not. You have a bunch of different exceptional, like a bunch of different options up here as well. For example, you want a different first page, you can click on over here. You want a different odd and even, you can do that as well over here. And then you have like different links. You could go and select margins and heights, stuff like that. And you have the additional settings over here within the page setup, where of course you could go ahead and set different margins again as well. So that's basically how to add a header and footer. Now go ahead and you can go and customize your own as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.